Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a celebration Cinnamoroll. So let's get started. To draw this cute Cinnamoroll, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw an oval. And then I'm going to come right across, nice and wide. So say about this wide and draw another oval. I'm trying to draw a little bit lighter since his eyes are blue. There. Okay, so now I have my two ovals in between the eyes I'm going to draw this wobbly cute mouth. So I'll start by right here and this wobble, I like this wide and rounded off W. Then from there I'm just going to go above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then from there we need to frame his face. So I'm going to basically draw this dumpling shape that I always draw for my characters. So I'm going to use the top of this eye, come out, say about right here. Give myself a point. Same thing here, about right there. And let's go from the top. So we're going to go up. And I'm just going to curve. And it's going to be a little bit narrow towards the top. So let's say about right there. That high towards the center. And then I'm going to bring it back down to here. There. Nice big curve at the top. Then from there, I'm going to bring it down. We're going to widen it. So we're going to go around the eye. And then flatten it out. So go right here and bring it in. And just go ahead and connect everything. There, so like this one big mochi dumpling. So it always reminds me of. And definitely make any adjustments you need to the shape. Okay, so now that I have that in, we need to draw the cute floppy ears. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just pop out a curve and I'm going to bring it down. And say about right here, just round it off nice and thick and bring it in. There. And then we have another one. So it's the same thing. I'm just going to come right across. And we're going to draw the same thing. So once again, don't worry about the angle, but we just want to try to make it about the same size. So let's say about right here. Start to bring it in. And I'm going to end at the same level, so about right there. And bring it in. And I've definitely gotten better at drawing Cinnamoroll, more comfortable now that I've drawn so many. And so thank you for your constant request to draw more. Okay, there. Hopefully it's not too long. Maybe this one might be a little bit long, but close enough. Okay, so now that we have that finally, let's draw the cute little body. So let's say about right here. Just gonna draw a curve coming down. And here as well, so like where the eye is. And then let's round it off a little bit. We're just going to see a little bit of the body, round it off and then connect it with a curve. There. And then right about here I'm going to add a little hand, so I'm going to come out, touch the face and bring it down. So same thing here. Touch, so you can actually erase a little bit of that if you like. There for the hands. And then we need to start to draw the cake. So I'm going to come right back to about here and here. Same thing on the other side. And we're just going to draw this very simple cake. So we're going to bring down a curve coming down. And same thing here. So then about right here, I'm going to round it off and start to come down. And then here we're going to wobble a little bit and then come out. Wobble and come out. And so then about right there, let's go ahead and connect it with a curve. Bunch of curves, I mean, all the way across. There. And then let's bring it down. So let's come in a little bit. Right here, bring down a straight line. And same thing here. So I hope this inspires you to draw your own cake and decorate it however you like. And then right about here, I'm going to round it off. And then go straight across. And then round it off. There. And then one more layer. We're going to come around for the base. So we're just trying to make everything nice and simple. And go all the way across again to finish off our cake. There. And then finally, let's come up to the top. Almost forgot. We need to draw this cute little candle. So we're just going to draw this little holder. Put it at an angle. Around. And then let's stick a candle right here in the center. At an angle. And then a little flame. And to make it more of a candle, let's add some stripes. And let's decorate our cake. So the original has stars going all across. You can draw circles or hearts. It's all up to you. But let's, I'm just confused. I just don't know what I should, you know what, let's go with stars. So I'm going to come about right here. I'll just start. And I'm just going to draw rounded off stars. And one here. So however many you want to put on your cake. And one here, and then going different directions. So maybe here. And one more. So let's say about right here. There, going all the way across, and then we can add a heart, right? So let's wasn't sure how to decorate this cake, but I have this big open space here, so I'm gonna add a big heart, big wide heart, and then maybe like this twirly thing that goes across, and then thicken it up. So same thing on the other side. There, to spruce up our celebration cake. I mean, of course this could be for happy birthday, but I thought I would say it's a celebration cake because you could draw it to celebrate any occasion. I really hope you love this cute Cinnamoroll and I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.